You've been brainwashed to stay broke, right? The way the media, the way everyone has convinced you that the only true way to make money is by working a 9 to 5 job. I mean, you've been convinced by many people that this is the case, right? And I'm telling you, this is not the case. And I used to be myself, work a 9 to 5 job, living a life where I had to basically, do things for my boss and come home with like 2 grand, 3 grand, all of that kind of stuff. And now, guys, I'm literally in Dubai. You could probably see from the backdrop. I mean, I'm sorry about the lighting, it's not the greatest, but I'm here in Dubai. It's like 2, 3 a.m. right now, and I'm just literally walking around filming this video, right? And I used to also work a 9 to 5 job, like literally back in the UK. I was working for Argos, Sky, World Duty Free, and I realized, you know what? All these jobs that I did, yes, it taught me a lot of things at the end of the day. But guys, this is not how life was meant to be lived, Everyone tells you that you need to work a 9 to 5 job. Everyone tells you need to go to university. Everyone tells you that you need to buy a house on a mortgage, This is what you should do. This is what basically 99% of the world does. And you've been convinced that you need to do this. But guys, this is not how life should be lived. You need to make money for yourself. You need to be able to start an online business, which obviously has changed my life because, guys, again, as I said, I used to work in the UK, I used to work a 9 to 5 job. Now I live here in Dubai, I work for myself, I'm financially free, and I don't need to listen to a boss. I don't need to work for someone else. I don't need to follow instructions anymore. I work for myself. I've retired my wife. I live in the greatest city in the world, and yeah, life is so different. But guys, again, this wasn't how my life always was, because I, just like a lot of you guys that are watching this video, I was brainwashed. Unfortunately, this is the reality. I was brainwashed into believing a 9 to 5 job. I was brainwashed into going to university. I mean, to be fair, university, I kind of understood it was a scam anyway. I only did university for my parents, but besides the point, university was a scam. Paying 30 grand for what? A piece of paper to tell me that I'm qualified, when, to be fair, when I first moved to Dubai and I was trying to find a job, that piece of paper couldn't even find me a job, So what was the point of the degree? This is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. You've been brainwashed to stay broke. You've been brainwashed to go to university, work a 9 to 5 job, do what they tell you to do, follow what they tell you to do, listen to the majority of people. And pretty much a lot of you guys are working 9 to 5 job. You tell me, are you happy? Are you making enough money? Things easy for you? No, of course not. Because a 9 to 5 job wasn't designed for that. And how does it feel for you to listen to another man telling you to do stuff? Like, again, this is not how things were meant to be, right? And I thought, you know what? I thought, let me go here to Creek Harbour, which is where I'm at the moment. Amazing place. I mean, you guys can see, really nice place, right? I thought, let me film some videos here and talk to you guys about the reality of life. Because a lot of people right now would be sleeping, or waiting to go to work tomorrow. It's a random Wednesday today. And here I am, Creek Harbour, 2, 3 a.m, making videos, proving to you guys that this is how life can be. This is how comfortable my life is, to the point where I can pull up. I mean, let me show you guys, in fact. Right? Obviously, it's quiet because it's like 2, 3 a.m. But I want to show you guys like how easy life can be, how amazing life can be when you just take that risk, when you just invest in yourself, when you hire a mentor. Because this is what I also did. I didn't just jump in the deep end. I hired a mentor. I learned what I needed to learn, started my offer, right? Completely changed my life, guys. To the point now, right? I reminisce on the times I used to work a 9 to 5 job, and I look back at those times and I feel like an idiot, to be fair, when I used to work those jobs. I was thinking to myself, why was I doing that? Working all those hours for what, 2 grand? Like, that's crazy. 2 grand, right? I could literally make that with one text message nowadays. It just shows how mad, all of us are, to be thinking that a 9 to 5 job is the only way to make money. And this is what I want to kind of like show you guys, what's possible when you just take that risk, when you invest in yourself, when you hire a mentor. Because guys, I myself am a mentor now, right? I work with people on a one-to-one basis, scale them to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model, which by the way, is the best business model out there, right? The One Skill Consulting business model has completely changed my life, changed a lot of my clients' lives as well. In fact, I've got a client that's like 16 years old who signed like 3, 4 clients already. It's crazy. It just shows what's possible, right? Now, if you guys are interested, by the way, and you do want to work with someone on a one-to-one basis, where I will basically work with you one-to-one, scale you 10K a month, and show you exactly how you can start this and build this business with you, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? But, guys, you've been brainwashed to stay broke. You've been brainwashed to stay in the same position. Furthermore, not even just stay broke, right? To be in debt, because they push this idea of mortgage. I mean, even if you look at the West in general, right? Why are they having so many more offers to try and get people on a mortgage? In fact, I think I saw somewhere in Australia, someone was telling me that, you know, you don't even need a deposit now or something along those lines to get a house. And my point was, the reason they're doing this is because they want to put more and more people in debt. Because when you're in debt, you're easily controlled, right? You have to follow what they tell you to do. Whereas if you're debt free, you make money for yourself, you can say what you want, you can do what you want, you won't really get in trouble. And if, to be fair, if you got enough money, you can travel to another country. If you don't agree with some of their laws or whatever, you could do what you want, right? You got ultimate freedom. And that's the position I wanted to put myself in, because I was like, I cannot continue slaving away for someone else, right? Working for them and living life on someone else's terms, basically. Which, to be fair, a lot of you guys are doing, right? And I want to kind of wake you up. And I'm not trying to like troll you guys. I'm not trying to say you guys are bad people, anything like that. Obviously, sometimes you're not informed. Sometimes you don't understand, right? But if you're watching this video, you should understand. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Because if you realize your situation right now, where you can't make money, bills are getting ridiculous, and trust me, I know what it's like in the UK at the moment. Inflation's increasing massively, and I said this from the very beginning. Inflation's going to keep going up. Your wages are going to go up slowly. Inflation's going to go up 2-3 times that. So even though you feel like you're getting more money in your job, you're actually getting poorer and poorer and poorer. So the point I'm trying to make is, guys, escape this, right? And it's very easy nowadays to do that, because look, at the end of the day, if you don't know how to do something, what do? You pay someone that knows the information, and you hire them as a mentor, and you literally learn with them, right? You learn everything that they've done so you can get to the same position as them. Because guys, I did the same thing, right? I did not know how to start this business when I first started. I hired someone that was doing better than me, that was living the life that I wanted to live, that had ridiculous numbers, followed his advice, and I got to where I got to. If you guys want to do the same, for example, if you want to live the life that I'm living at the moment, where I'm living in Dubai, make money online, have total freedom, then hire me as your mentor. Or if there's someone else doing what it is that you want, hire them. The point is, don't just sit there, watch this video, and go about your day. Because a lot of people do that. In fact, 99% of the people are going to do that, right? You can be that different person that says, you know what, I'm going to book in a call with him. You literally click the link in the description, book in a call with me. Bro, we'll jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you. Or you can be like 99% of the other people that'll just watch this, right, and get on with their day. Like, and nothing's going to change for you, by the way, if you do that. But yeah, let me just show you guys where I'm at. As you can see. The thing is, right, this place is so nice once it's lit up. But because it's like 2 a.m, they turn all the lights off. So it's a little bit more dark. But this is like one of my favorite places to come to, honestly. I love Creek Harbour. And the fact that I could just pull up here whenever, it's crazy. It just shows where life has taken me. It just shows what freedom looks like. Guys, this is literally what freedom looks like. You know? Just think about it. 2-3 years ago, I'd be sleeping at this time, right? Because I have to wake up for work at 7 a.m. A lot of you guys might be watching this on a Monday or a Thursday or a Friday, whatever it is, right? Probably got work the next day, whatnot. Guys, do you want to live your life like this? Do you want to continue being in the same position? Because trust me, if you don't take any action, nothing's going to change. You are literally going to be in the same position for the rest of your life. You have to take action. You're not entitled to become rich. Like a lot of people, they feel like they're entitled to become rich. This is not how it works. You're not entitled to be rich. You're not entitled to be in a position where life is easy, right? There are people that have worked their arse off, including me, right? And if I'm going to get it after working hard, then it's not going to happen for you overnight. So the point is, you've got to like put in the work. You've got to put in the effort. And without that, nothing's going to change. So as I already mentioned, that if you want to completely change everything, if you want to be in a position where you can say to yourself, you know what, I've taken the action required. I've been in the position, I've gone to the position that I want to be in. If you want to be in that position, guys, you have to take risk and you have to take action. And again, as I said, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. I'll be happy to jump on a call with you guys and show you exactly how I can actually help you. Guys, I just wanted to make a quick video explaining this. As I said, I teach the one skill consulting business model. If you want to know more information about this business model, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.